Hi, I'm Roshni and I'm 17 and turning 18 soon. And if you're new to my channel, I'm really glad that you're watching my video. Welcome here. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you that why I started this journey, like why I'm here on the YouTube. So basically, honestly, if I tell you that I started it mostly for myself, so I can look back and uh, I can see my progress. I can track my growth and my progress, and so that I can remind myself that yeah, I tried my best to become the best version of myself. And I posted videos for you as well. Of course, I do. So you can also learn something from, not I'm not saying from me, but also maybe you can relate something from me, so that I can look back and see that I wasn't lazy that day. I tried. I did something. So this is why I'm here. The times I start talking in front of the camera, I feel like that I'm talking to walls, literally. Like, literally, I'm talking to walls. Like, hi, walls. I hope you're learning something. I used to spend my entire day in my room, like, no sunlight, no fresh air, and nothing else. And I'm just laying on my bed and doing nothing. Sometimes I'm scrolling on my phone, and sometimes I'm just staring at the ceiling. And the worst part is that I knew I was wasting my time, but still I was doing it. Like, I knew that I was destroying my own day, I'm destroying my own life, but still I was doing it. मुझे पता था, but still पता नहीं क्यों I was just doing it. And I hope that you also can relate to this, that हमें पता होता है, we knew that what is right for us and what is wrong for us, but still we end up doing nothing. And that's the issue because motivation doesn't last, as we all know. Like, see, if I watch a motivational video today and I get so motivated and I did my 1 hour workout today after watching that video, no doubt I feel so amazing today. But what about tomorrow? Like, कल भाई मेरे से उठा नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है, because I push so much on the first day. And that's why people say start by little. And that is why I start noticing little things, like creating small habits and my to-do list, my my track. Let me show you my track, what I do. So this is sorry so this is basically my habit tracker. Let me see this. Yeah, so this is my little habit tracker that I do, and this is my mood tracker. It really helped me, like whenever I take the thing that कि मैंने आज ही complete कर लिया, and I get so proud of myself, yeah, that I completed this thing today. So this is the first step that I took to move out of my comfort zone, basically, and this is exactly what I want to share with you. Because if you're really serious about changing your life, if you're really serious about changing your lifestyle, no advice, no videos, no motivational quotes can change your life. And trust me, अगर लोग motivational videos या फिर podcast देख के successful होते, तो I would have become a billionaire by now by watching all the motivational videos. Like, imagine if only words can change people. Trust me, my mother's daily lecture would have made me the prime minister by now. So basically, what I really want to say is, ये मेरे बालों को क्या हो गया?
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकल.
I want to say is that only watching videos cannot change your life. If you're thinking that I will watch this video and I'm gonna change the life, no, you can't. Because if you don't put in the effort, you can't change anything, bro. You can't change, that. I'm just sharing what I have noticed and what I have tried and what really helped me to understand myself better. So, and if you have noticed yourself in this story, so maybe you will also find a way to start your own little steps. So, इतनी सारी ज्ञान की बातें करने के बाद, let me show you something. This is my journal. This is basically what whenever I get bored, I used to draw something. Firstly, this is the girl with the guitar. Like, I guess made this drawing, I guess 3 years ago when I was in my 9th class. So this was It's my second journal. Like, you know, I just love rains. I just love rainy weather. So I guess I made this journal शायद जब बारिश हो रही थी. So this is basically what it is, and this is like what makes me happy. So this is all the things that makes me happy, and this is something like about me and the things I like. And this is like I am blessed, and this is literally the best sketch I have made. Like this has, you know, I guess I made this like maybe I was sad that day, but I just make the tears from this girl's eye. And ये थोड़े से कुछ flowers, like ये ठीक ठाक है, but एंड ये मैंने बनाया था लाइक आई गेस टू अभी 2-3 दिन हुए हैं. अभी मैंने ये दिस इज़ माई रीसेंट ड्राइंग, sorry, this is my recent journal. So this is basically, this is what I made today, like this prettiest scrapbook journal, and I'm just so in love with this, you know, this journal. And today I made one more journal, this, like I like who I'm becoming, like. So yeah, that's my little journey for today, and maybe in the future when I rewatch this video again, I will be so proud of myself that I didn't waste my time or I didn't waste my day. I did something, I tried something, you know. And if future Roshni is watching this, I hope that you are not stuck in your bed. And that's enough of my आज की ज्ञान की बातें. So